Present teacher.
This video we are going to learn about near and far. So near and far का मतलब क्या है? Near मतलब पास and far मतलब दूर. So near का मतलब है पास और far का मतलब है दूर. And uses of this is and that is. Now जो चीज हम लोगों के पास में है उसको हम क्या कैसे बुलाते हैं? This is लगा के बुलाते हैं. और जो चीज़ हम लोगों से दूर में है तो वो चीज़ को जब हम बुलाते हैं बोलते हैं उस चीज़ के बारे में तो हम that is लगाते हैं. सो नियर मतलब पास और far मतलब दूर. See, we have understood about near and far things. So we use this is for the things which are near to us and that is for the things which is far away from us. So here are the examples. This is a whiteboard. So as you can see that I am near to the whiteboard. So when I point out the whiteboard, I'll say this is a whiteboard. And next, that is a chair. So the chair is far away. Here you cannot see any chair and the chair is there. So I can say that that is a chair. So this is a whiteboard and that is a chair because whiteboard is near to us and chair is far away from me. So because of that, this is used with the whiteboard and that is used with the chair. So the next thing is this is a marker. So you can see that I am holding a marker and when I point out this marker I'll say this is a marker क्योंकि ये marker कहाँ है? मेरे पास है, मेरे साथ है. तो जो चीज़ साथ है पास है उसको हम क्या कैसे पॉइंट आउट करते हैं? दिस इज बोल के. और जो चीज हमसे दूर है फॉर एग्जाम्पल डस्टर. सो आई हैव केप्ट माई डस्टर ऑन द टेबल. सो व्हेन आई पॉइंट आउट द डस्टर आई विल से दैट इज अ डस्टर बिकॉज दिस इज अ मार्कर बिकॉज दिस मार्कर इज नियर टू मी एंड द डस्टर इज फार अवे फ्रॉम मी. सो आई कैन से दैट इज अ डस्टर. With the help of some pictures, we will see the uses of this is and that is. So here you can see the picture of a table, book, clock and bucket. So as you can see that the picture of table is near. So we'll say this is a table. This is a table क्योंकि table कहाँ है? पास में है. इसीलिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? दिस इज अ टेबल क्योंकि जो भी चीज हम लोगों के पास में है दोज थिंग्स विच आर नियर टू अस वी से वी यूज दिस इज टू पॉइंट आउट दोज थिंग्स. सो हियर सेकेंड पिक्चर यू कैन सी दैट बुक. सो द बुक इज फार देन द टेबल. सो द बुक इज farther than the table. So we say that is a book. तो book को point out करने के लिए हम क्या बोलते हैं? That is a book क्योंकि book थोड़ा दूर है. Next is clock. This is a clock. So you can see the picture of the clock is pretty near. So that is why we use the word this is a clock. So in next picture you can see the picture of the bucket is farther from the picture of the clock. So we use the word that is. So in general we use this is to the things which are near to us and we use that is to the things which are far away from us. Now we have understood that we use this is to the thing which are near to us and that is to the thing which is far away from us. But if there are more in number, the things which are near to us and they are more in number, that means they are in many forms, then we'll say these are. We don't say this is, but instead of this is, if the number is more than 1, we say these are. And if the thing which is far away from us and we are pointing those things, then if the number of those things are more than 1, then we'll say those are. तो जो चीज़ हम लोगों के पास है उसको दिखा के हम कुछ बोलते हैं, तो अगर वो चीज़ एक से ज़्यादा है, more than 1 means 5, it can be 5 also, 10 also. अगर एक से ज़्यादा है, वो चीज़ पास में है और उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो उसको हम कैसे डिनोट करते हैं? These are. और जो चीज़ हम लोगों से दूर है और उसको हम दिखा के कुछ बोल रहे हैं, तो उसमें हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? Those are. So here are some examples with a picture. So let us see them. So these are dolls. So as you can see, the picture of dolls are near. So we are writing here these are, and we are writing these are because the number of doll is more than 1. यहाँ पे 2 डॉल्स है, तो एक से ज़्यादा है. अगर सिर्फ एक होता तो हम क्या यूज़ करते? This is. But एक से ज़्यादा है, इसीलिए हम क्या यूज़ कर रहे हैं? These are dolls. और यहाँ पे stars, you can see the number of stars are more than 1. So we are using those are stars. Those, why we are using? Because picture of the stars are far away. So we are writing those are. Next you can see that there are 4 cups. 4 cups means more than 1, and the cups are nearer. So we are writing here these are. These are cups. The cups are near, so we are using this. These are. Here you can see the picture of leaves. So there are more number of leaves here, and the picture of the leaves are little far. So we are using the word those are. Because of the number of the leaves, we are using the word those. If there would be only one leaf, then we would use this, that, is. But the number of leaf is more than 1, so we are using those are leaves. One more thing we have to remember in this topic, during this topic, is that we use is with this and that, but we use are with the word like these and those. So is हम यूज़ करते हैं this और that के साथ, और are यूज़ करते हैं these and those के साथ. Because this जब हम डिनोट करते हैं तो एक चीज़ के लिए डिनोट करते हैं, पॉइंट आउट करते हैं, तो इसीलिए सिंगुलर और वन वर्ड में हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? is. So this is और that is. But जब हम पॉइंट आउट कर रहे हैं एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ों के लिए, तो हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? are. क्योंकि these are, क्योंकि वो एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ें हैं, तो इसीलिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? these are and those are.